Welcome to the weekly CFD overview of the global financial markets. The US dollar strengthened significantly against all major currencies. 10-year US government bond yields climbed to 3.03%, and the prospect of a faster pace of rate hikes by the Federal Reserve boosted the dollar. The Federal Reserve is not expected to take action on interest rates at the conclusion of its two-day policy meeting on Wednesday evening, keeping it in a range between 1.5% and 1.75%. The ECB policy meeting confirmed that the Eurozone economy slowed since the end of last year. Market participants assumed that the gains of the euro in late 2017 were unsustainable and not supported by the economic data. At one point, the euro slipped to 1.205 against the dollar. The British pound weakened further against the dollar as pressure on the UK Prime Minister Theresa May increased after UK Home Secretary resigned on Sunday due to an immigration scandal. Britain's GDP slowed sharply in the first quarter, which prompted investors to slash expectations for a rate hike by the Bank of England on May the 10th. After a sharp decline on Tuesday last week, US stock indices recovered. This week will be busy with 145 S&P firms publishing quarterly reports, with Apple in the spotlight on Tuesday evening. Tesla will report on Wednesday and Alibaba on Friday. France cut cryptocurrency taxes by 0.5% to 19%, while Iran is developing its own blockchain-based cryptocurrency. Recent research done by JP Morgan showed that Malta now accounts for the largest share of cryptocurrency trading volume in the world, according to Business Insider. Gold prices ended lower last week as the strength of the dollar and a historic summit between the two Koreas pulled down the precious metal. On Monday, markets reacted to another rise in US drilling, as 5 oil rigs were added, bringing the total count to 825. Baker Hughes reported on Friday. That's the largest number since March 2015, underscoring worries that escalating US output could derail OPEC's efforts to reduce the global supply glut. You've been watching the weekly CFD overview of the global financial markets.